This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow.
Just checking out the train times at Bleasby railway station to go to Newark Castle. So just been checking these times out. It took me approximately 35 minutes to walk here from the campsite. That's with me hobbling. So I'm going to the Newark Castle tomorrow, and we've got a time that we're going, and we know where to come for the train. All I have to do is pay online and then come to this train station, and there's no staff, so I don't do trains, so this is all brand new to me. Let's hope I don't cock it up. So log in later.
From within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel
Today we're catching the train and we're going to Newark Castle. Never been before, so I'll film a little bit around Newark Castle and see what's around Newark. First time ever I'm going to be taking a train journey away from a campsite, and I have never been on a train with Tia. So this will be an experience for Tia and myself, so let's see how we go. The train, I nearly missed the train, but luckily the train is late. And it's late by a good 10 minutes, so I'm just sitting down, resting my ankle, just waiting for the train. Come along with me and let's have a look. See you later, bye.
Thank you. But they're all sort of interconnected, so they do sort of that's sort of what I mean. Well, I think that's why I'm called Nordic Indian, because they were all in our bars, and then we're just.
We arrived at Newark Castle. Never been here before. Over the bridge towards the castle. Not sure how much it is yet, but I'll put it on the screen, and we'll have a little bimble around the town as well. We've got through the entrance, and the entrance you have to go near the register office, and it's a bit further down, and it's free to come in. And yes, it is a ruin. Don't know much about it yet, but I will be putting it up on the screen, and we're just going to have a bimble. I'm interested to see the view of the Trent. So yeah, we're going to walk around. They're doing some works here, renovation, and I'm not sure where we can go. So see you later. wow, got woken up this morning, 7 o'clock. The wind is 47 kilometers per hour. Oh my God, my awning's doing well. Keeps knocking against me van, that's what woke me up, and the van's rocking like mad.